The history of the French fashion capital and its contributions to the world fashion industry. Paris, the fashion capital of France, has a rich history that intertwines with the evolution of the global fashion industry. For centuries, this vibrant city has been a beacon of style and elegance, influencing trends and setting the stage for fashion revolutions. From haute couture to ready-to-wear, Paris has made significant contributions to the world of fashion, solidifying its reputation as a fashion powerhouse. The history of fashion in Paris can be traced back to the 17th century, when the city became a center of luxury and opulence. The French court, led by Louis XIV, played a pivotal role in establishing Paris as a fashion destination. The court's lavish lifestyle and extravagant clothing choices set the stage for the emergence of Parisian fashion as a symbol of status and sophistication. The royal court's demand for luxurious garments led to the rise of skilled craftsmen and tailors, who honed their skills to create exquisite garments. In the 19th century, Paris experienced a dramatic shift in fashion with the rise of the haute couture industry. This period marked the birth of fashion houses such as Charles Frederick Worth, who is often referred to as the father of haute couture. Worth's innovative designs, impeccable craftsmanship, and attention to detail revolutionized the fashion industry. He introduced the concept of seasonal collections, where new designs were showcased twice a year, setting the precedent for the fashion calendar we follow today. The establishment of the Chambre syndicale de la haute couture in 1868 further solidified Paris as the epicenter of high fashion. This governing body regulated and protected the interests of couturiers, ensuring that only those who met strict standards of craftsmanship and design could be recognized as true couture houses. The couture shows held in Paris became prestigious events, attracting international attention and cementing the city's position as a global fashion capital. Parisian fashion continued to flourish in the 20th century, witnessing iconic moments that shaped the industry. The 1920s, known as the Roaring Twenties, brought about a dramatic shift in women's fashion, with the emergence of the flapper style. Parisian designers such as Coco Chanel embraced the spirit of liberation and rebellion, introducing shorter hemlines, loose silhouettes, and the iconic little black dress. Chanel's avant-garde designs challenged traditional notions of femininity and forever changed the fashion landscape. The post-war period in Paris saw the rise of legendary designers like Christian Dior and Yves Saint Laurent. Dior's new look, introduced in 1947, revolutionized fashion with its cinched waists, full skirts, and ultra-feminine silhouettes. Saint Laurent, on the other hand, pushed boundaries with his daring and androgynous designs, introducing the iconic Le Smoking tuxedo suit for women. These designers not only shaped fashion trends but also created enduring legacies that continue to inspire designers to this day. Paris Fashion Week, established in 1973, remains one of the most highly anticipated events in the global fashion calendar. Held twice a year, it showcases the latest collections from renowned fashion houses and emerging designers alike. The fashion shows, exhibitions, and presentations attract industry professionals, celebrities, and fashion enthusiasts from around the world. Paris Fashion Week serves as a platform for creativity, innovation, and trendsetting, reaffirming the city's status as the unrivaled capital of fashion. Moreover, Paris is home to renowned fashion schools such as the École de la Chambre syndicale de la couture parisienne and the Institut français de la mode. These institutions nurture and educate aspiring designers, equipping them with the skills and knowledge necessary to thrive in the fashion industry. Many of the world's most influential designers have honed their craft in these esteemed institutions, further cementing Paris's position as an incubator of talent and innovation.